Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome again to another tutorial series. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 on a computer which has an MBR version, which does not have a GTP partition. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, this is an OS I want to install in this machine, but if I click on this free space hierarchy here, it tells me that Windows cannot be installed in this drive. So if I click on show more details, so you can see right here that Windows cannot be installed to this disk, that the selected disk has an MBR partition table, and on Windows can only be installed on GPT disks. So I want to convert this machine from an MBR partition to a GPT disk partition. So what I do here is I click on OK, then I will come and do Shift and F10 on my computer. Then from there I'll write the command disk part. Okay, so by doing this you are going to access the disk partitions of your computer. From there you will do what we call list disk, so to show you the current disks which are online for this case. So you can see that we have disk 1 which is online and disk 2 which is online, which has a point of 0 and 1. So I'm interested in disk 0. So what I'm gonna do here, I'll say select disk 0 like this, click on enter like this. You can see now that disk 0 is now selected, and then from there what you do if you want to delete what existed in this machine. In that case, what I mean is if it had what we call the MBR version and you want to convert it to the GPT disk, what you do, you'll say clean. When you say clean, it's going to delete everything which is on disk 0, which is online. And then after doing that, because on my end after that, you'll do the last command which is called convert. So you'll just say convert G and then P and then T, then you click on enter. It's going to convert that entire disk from MBR version to a GPT version. Then the last thing you need to know here is that if you want to exit from this page, you just say exit. So that's all guys. I hope this kind of tutorial helped you to sort of make sure that you are going to actually install this with ease next time you get these kind of challenges which can come in the future. Thank you.